This is Ricinus communis, the castor oil plant. In West Africa, it is a plant of deep paradox, a source of both life-saving remedy and lethal danger. Look closely at its fruit. These seeds contain a valuable oil used for centuries in soaps and machines. Yet, they also harbor ricin, one of the most deadly natural toxins known to man. Our ancestors were master chemists long before the modern laboratory. They boiled these leaves to treat guinea worm and applied them to feverish foreheads to draw out the heat. There was a spiritual dimension too. The seeds were used in spiritual warfare. When set alight, the smoke was said to expose those with ill intent, causing a wizard's nose to betray him with a twitch. But it is the plant's role in grief that gives us our most enduring lesson. In the past, when a child died in infancy, they were not given the elaborate funerals of the elders. Instead, the child's body was wrapped simply in the broad leaves of the Ricinus communis and buried in a box. It was a frank recognition of a life that did not stay long enough to become part of the family. From this practice comes a blunt proverb: a child who doesn't come to stay, we use the castor oil plant to bury it. It is a warning against the human economy of affection. It teaches us not to overinvest in those who haven't chosen to stay with us. If someone keeps you at the margins of their life, do not wrap your loyalty in silk. Like the leaves of the castor oil plant, let them go with simple dignity. Preserve your heart for those who prioritize you. Discover the intersection of nature and ancient wisdom in my book, Botanical Wisdom from West Africa, available now on Amazon.